A socket voltage tester is a crucial tool for anyone working with electrical systems, whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast. It helps ensure that electrical outlets are properly wired and functioning, providing a quick and accurate way to check voltage levels and identify potential issues like faulty wiring or grounding problems. The best socket voltage testers combine ease of use, accuracy, and reliability, allowing you to safely test electrical outlets and prevent electrical hazards. Here are the best 5 socket voltage testers available on the market today. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Gvda GD101B Socket Voltage Tester. With the Gvda Socket Voltage Tester, you can instantly check for issues like incorrect wiring, missing wires, reverse polarity, and faulty ground wires. The best part? The color display gives you crystal clear readings, even in low light. Simply plug it in and check the screen. If everything's good, you'll see correct wiring. But if there's a problem, the tester will instantly let you know with easy-to-understand visual indicators. Now, let's talk about the RCD test feature. If your socket has an RCD, residual current device, protection, the Gvda tester can check its functionality. Just press the RCD button when prompted and watch as the tester triggers the leakage switch. If the switch doesn't trip, it means your leakage protection is either faulty or missing. Don't risk it, call a professional electrician for immediate maintenance. Small in size and lightweight, the Gvda tester is perfect for taking with you from room to room, or even on the go. Whether you're checking sockets at home, in the office, or while traveling, this tester is always ready for action. Built tough with a flame retardant and impact-resistant shell, the Gvda tester can handle accidental drops and rough conditions without skipping a beat. With a working temperature range from 0°C to 40°C and humidity between 20% to 70%, the Gvda tester is designed to perform in a variety of environments. And when you're done, store it safely in temperatures ranging from 10°C to 50°C with 20% to 80% humidity. Don't worry about complicated instructions. The Gvda socket voltage tester features a simple plug-and-play design, with visual indicators that make it easy for anyone, whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time user, to test your sockets with confidence. Pros: comprehensive testing, accurate results, compact and portable. Cons: limited to basic testing and requires battery power. Number 4. Zoyi ZT-E10 Socket Voltage Tester. With the Zoyi, testing your outlets for safety has never been easier. This plug tester is designed to detect the most common wiring faults found in standard and RCD protected outlets, which are typically used in homes, kitchens, and bathrooms. It's capable of identifying several common wiring issues, including open ground, open hot, open neutral, reverse polarity, and even hot/neutral wire reversals. You'll know immediately if your outlets are wired correctly or if there's a potential risk. Now, let's talk about the advanced RCD function. The Zoyi simulates ground fault conditions, which is essential when testing RCD outlets. These outlets are specifically designed to protect you from electrical hazards, and with this tester, you can confirm that the ground fault protective device is working as it should. However, be cautious when using this on standard outlets, as it may cause a trip in your home's electrical system. Make sure to use it only on RCD protected outlets for accurate results. One of the standout features of the Zoyi ZT-E10 is its instant wiring identification. When you plug the tester into an outlet, the red LED indicators light up clearly, giving you an immediate visual indication of the wiring condition. The easy-to-read chart on the tester helps you quickly determine the wiring condition based on the LED results. It's a simple yet powerful tool to help you stay safe and ensure your electrical system is in top shape. When it comes to safety, Zoyi makes sure you're covered. The ZT-E10 conforms to Cat 300V standards, ensuring you can confidently test outlets in various environments without compromising your safety. Plus, with CE marking certification and lifetime technical support available 24/7, you can rely on Zoyi for any questions or concerns you may have about using the device. Need to measure the voltage? The Zoyi ZT-E10 also features a clear LED voltage display, making it simple to check the voltage levels in your outlets at a glance. With this feature, you won't just know if your wiring is correct, you'll also get a precise reading of the voltage, helping you diagnose electrical problems with ease. Built for tough jobs, the Zoyi comes with a compact, ergonomic design crafted from high-impact resistant ABS housing. This makes the tester both durable and crush-resistant, exceeding industry standards for impact resistance. The Zoyi socket voltage tester is more than just a tool, it's your trusted partner in electrical safety. Whether you're testing for common wiring faults, ensuring RCD outlets are functioning, or simply measuring voltage, this tester has got you covered. Pros: comprehensive testing, safety certified, user-friendly, and affordable. Cons: limited to UK plugs and battery powered. Number 3. Gvda GD104 Socket Voltage Tester. Safety and ease of use are at the heart of the Gvda GD104. This powerful tool offers simple, intuitive operation. All you need to do is insert the tester into any powered 3-pin socket. Once inserted, the tester immediately checks the socket wiring condition and displays the AC voltage on its high-definition backlit screen. No more guesswork. And if there's a wiring sequence error, the Gvda GD104's orange backlight will light up, alerting you right away. But don't worry, the display provides specific details about the error, so you know exactly what to fix. One of the coolest features of the GD104 is its automatic data retention. After you insert the tester, it locks the data on the screen after just 3 seconds. This makes it easy to take a moment and inspect the results before proceeding. But that's not all. The GD104 can also test your residual current device, or RCD, for leaks. Just press and hold the RCD button for more than 2 seconds, and the tester will monitor if the device trips correctly. If the RCD doesn't trip, the tester will let you know there's an issue with your safety device. When the RCD works properly, the tester shows the time it took to trip, while the button's indicator will flash, signaling that the process is complete. This helps ensure that your electrical safety mechanisms are in good condition. Plus, the Gvda GD104 is designed to save battery power. If you leave it idle for 5 minutes, it will automatically shut down to preserve energy for your next inspection. Not only is this tester packed with features, but it's also ultra-portable. Its compact size makes it easy to take on the go, whether you're working at home, in the office, or inspecting outlets in a shopping mall or commercial building. And no matter where you are, the GD104's large, high-definition backlit screen ensures that you can read the results clearly even in dimly lit environments. Whether you're inspecting the safety of home sockets, checking office wiring, or ensuring the electrical safety of a commercial building, the GD104 is your go-to solution. With its easy operation, clear results, and reliability, the GD104 socket voltage tester is your best ally in maintaining safe and functional electrical systems. It's the peace of mind you need, all in the palm of your hand. Pros: ease of use, comprehensive testing, portability, and convenience. Cons: data retention time and no indication of battery life. Number 2. Aneng AC27 Socket Voltage Tester. Let's take a closer look at what makes this compact tool so powerful. The Aneng AC27 isn't just any voltage tester. It's designed to quickly and easily identify potential hazards, ensuring your environment remains safe and secure. First, we have the socket line detection feature. With a simple glance at the tester's illuminated red light, you can easily check the clear interface of any socket. This intuitive system allows you to quickly assess the socket's condition and whether it's functioning properly. And here's where the AC27 truly shines: leakage trip detection. Press the leakage switch test button, and if everything's in order, the circuit will trip as expected, signaling that the leakage protection is functioning normally. It's a simple and effective way to ensure that your electrical circuits are up to standard. Designed for versatility, the AC27 is compatible with a wide range of voltages from 250V, and it works seamlessly with both 50Hz and 60Hz frequency circuits, making it ideal for various applications across homes, offices, and factories. Thanks to its high-quality copper sheet, the AC27 ensures smooth plugging and unplugging, guaranteeing stable conduction every time. It's plug and play, which means no complicated setup, just safety and reliability at your fingertips. Portability is another key feature. The small and portable design of the AC27 makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Whether you're inspecting electrical sockets at home or conducting safety checks in industrial environments, you can count on the AC27 for quick and accurate results. From checking home outlets to conducting thorough safety inspections in offices or factories, the AC27 is the perfect tool to ensure your electrical environment is safe. It's a must-have for electricians, safety inspectors, or anyone looking to take control of their electrical safety. Easy to use, compact, and highly effective, the AC27 socket voltage tester is your go-to tool for electrical socket inspections and leak detection. Don't wait for a disaster to strike. Keep your electrical systems safe with the A27. Pros: multifunctional, ease of use, safety and durability. Cons: specific voltage range and no data logging or recording. Number 1 and the winner. Habotest HT107D, socket voltage tester. Let's start with the basics. The Habotest is a portable electric socket tester designed for quickly identifying whether a socket's wiring is correctly connected. And here's the best part: it's compact, lightweight, and easy to use. Whether you're checking your home's electrical system or testing office sockets, this tool is designed to give you peace of mind. First up, the bright LED display. The tester features a voltage backlight LCD screen, which allows you to easily see and read voltage levels even in low light conditions. Whether you're working under bright sunlight or in a dark corner, the backlit display will ensure you get accurate readings. Speaking of visibility, the tester also has well-labeled LED light patterns on the back of the device itself. The red LED indicators shine clearly, even under direct sunlight. Plus, the tester has 6 LED light patterns, which make it incredibly easy to understand the condition of the socket. Here's the magic: these 6 indicators help you quickly judge the state of the socket, showing you if it's correct: open ground, open neutral, live/neutral reverse, live/ground reverse, or missing ground. This means you can figure out if the socket is wired properly or if there are potential issues that could be dangerous. It's as simple as plugging it in and reading the results. One of the best features about this tester is its plug-and-play design. It's designed to be super user-friendly. Just plug it into the socket, and you're ready to go. Plus, the RCD/GFCI test button is a great addition. With just one click, you can check the status of the leakage protector, a vital feature to protect you from the risk of electric shocks. Whether you're a professional electrician or just someone who wants to ensure the safety of their home, this tester is perfect for all kinds of testing. From electric maintenance testing to checking office sockets, power strips, or even wall sockets at school, laboratory, or factory settings, the HT107D has you covered. It's also perfect for home improvement projects and safety inspections. With its easy-to-read indicators and fast results, you can spot electrical issues in no time, preventing any surprises or dangers. So why should you choose the Habotest? First, it's an incredibly time-saving device, no more guessing whether your socket is safe. Second, it's super portable and easy to use. And last but not least, it's affordable and provides all the features you need to stay safe and make informed decisions when it comes to your electrical systems. Pros: comprehensive testing, digital display, backlight, compact and portable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.